Hi, welcome to my today's video. When we talk about asset allocation, we generally think of percentage of debt, percentage of equity, percentage of gold, real estate, but major salaried जनता thinks 50,000, 1 लाख, 5 लाख, 10 लाख के पोर्टफोलियो में रियल स्टेट कहां से एंटर करें या फिर गोल्ड को कहां से पार्ट ऑफ एलोकेशन बनाएं. So in this video, I'll talk about few points which can help you build or rebuild your small and effective portfolio. So let's start with point number 1. If in case you hold a large cap mutual fund, get out of it immediately. Mutual fund companies are charging 1.5 to 2% to manage your large cap fund, which includes fund allocation charge, fund manager charge, and legal charge, advisory charge, this, that, and the other. You must be thinking 2% का charge है, कितना ही फर्क पड़ रहा है? Think logically. 2% का charge हो रहा है asset under management में. So let's say if in case you have invested 1,000 rupees in the market through large cap fund, उसको profit बढ़ा करके आपने उसका 1100 कर दिया है amount. 2% 1100 का हुआ 22 rupees on 1100, which is still fine. But think about profit. You have lost 22% of your profit paying the charge of the large cap fund to the fund house, and that too to manage your funds like HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Page Industries, which do not require clean check from any mutual fund company. You can invest it by yourself as well. म्यूचुअल फंड को पे करना है, पे करो. स्मॉल कैप फंड के लिए करो, मिड कैप फंड के लिए करो, जिसमें एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड होता है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, स्टॉप गोइंग विद ट्रेंड्स. अदर पर्सन हैज बॉट गोल्ड, आई शुड ऑल्सो बाय गोल्ड. Other person is looking for a property in Gurgaon, I should also look for a property in Gurgaon. These assets have really long cycle. Are these assets going to make money? Maybe or maybe not. I'm no one to comment on it. But do proper research before investing in any such asset class. I'm telling you, as per my study, rise in interest rate is creating bubble in the market. So which I'll discuss in my upcoming video. Moving on to point number 3, add risk to your portfolio. Do add mid-cap stocks, small-cap stocks in your portfolio to make it grow. At any given point, your portfolio should have 30% small-cap or mid-cap stocks in it. If in case you are planning to buy a property, never buy it on loan. Because if in case you buy it on loan, you will have to pay EMIs for good 20, 25 or maybe 30 years. This will block your future investment for these number of years. Jisme, I believe if in case you invest this amount for this horizon in equities, you'll be able to make good returns. In case property loan पे लेनी पड़ती है या ले लेते हो, your EMI, monthly EMI should not exceed your 30% of the monthly income. Otherwise, you are over leveraged. So next point talks about bulk buying. It is a very nice strategy in any portfolio. I am not referring to 1 crore रुपया लिया है और किसी स्टॉक में डाला वो bulk buying हुई. No, I am referring to something else. Let's say एक SIP चल रही है, SIP चल रही है 10,000 rupees की continuously for 3 years. Market में all of a sudden there is a correction in the market by 15-20%. When looking at this opportunity, you put lump sum amount in that stock in the market. When market will come back, reach to its previous place, you will get multiplied returns. So this is a very nice strategy with which you can easily make some money. If you are a conservative investor and do not like taking risk, you have a long-term horizon, look out for index funds too. बहुत अच्छे फंड्स है, चार्जेस आर रियली लेस, एंड इसमें कोई अच्छा फंड बुरा फंड नहीं होता. सारी कंपनीज सिमिलर फंड मैनेज करते हैं. सो गो फॉर एनी कंपनी एंड गो फॉर इंडेक्स फंड. स्टार्ट एसआईपी, स्टार्ट योर लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट. यू विल गेट समवेयर अराउंड 12% का रिटर्न इन अ ईयर. आई सी दैट यू हैवंट लाइक्ड माय वीडियो येट. प्लीज डू so that it can reach out to other investors too. So our next point talks about have conviction in what you buy. People just listen about a stock and they put their money in it. So is this a good way to invest the money? My short answer is no. I'll give you an example. How does it impact your buying or selling or making returns? So let's say I am suggesting you to buy X stock at a given price. You will buy it. Now, if that stock corrects after a week by 15-20% and the stock is good, बट यू विल थिंक बेकार स्टॉक सजेस्ट किया था, एग्जिट करते हैं, पता लगा 10% 20% और गिर गया. यू विल एग्जिट दी स्टॉक बुकिंग दी लॉस इन इट. बट अगर खुद का रिसर्च किया होगा, खुद का एनालिसिस किया होगा, यू वुड वेट एंड थिंक कि मुझे डिस्काउंट में स्टॉक मिल रहा है, एंड यू विल डाउनवर्ड एवरेज दी स्टॉक. दिस वे यू विल बी एबल टू मेक मनी जस्ट बिकॉज you will have conviction in what you bought. Also start calculating annualized returns in your portfolio. How much did you make in last 6 months? How much did you make last year? You should know this. It's a good practice. So now, as you have watched my video this far, I would like to tell you about a mutual fund that has made really good returns in past and I think will continue to make good returns in future as well in the market. So the name of the mutual fund is Quant Midcap Mutual Fund. This is my independent view. It's not a recommendation or advice. This mutual fund has given 37% annualized return over the period of 3 years and 27% return over the period of 5 years. And thank you for watching today. Take good care of yourself.